In this video, we'll be talking about Marpe. Mini-screw assisted rapid palatal expander is an effective non-extraction, non-surgical treatment approach to treat narrow maxilla. Narrow maxilla is associated with nasal obstruction, crowded teeth, and hindered facial development, which are all characteristics of obstructive sleep apnea. Conventional maxillary expander treatments are common. However, these are limited only to children as the mid-palatal suture fuses around 12 to 15 years of age. The Marpe is innovative as it extends this timeline by directly connecting the expander to the palatal bone, and therefore Marpe can be effective in young adults whose palatal suture has fused. Marpe works by expanding the maxillary bone, thereby increasing the volume of the nasal and oral cavities. This decreases the nasal resistance and gives the tongue more room to sit upwards and forwards in the mouth, making the airway larger. Marpe appliances are anchored directly to the palatal bone via 2 to 4 mini screws, creating true bony expansion. This process is achieved by placing a custom-made expander and mini screws along the mid-palatal suture. The procedure lasts 20 to 30 minutes under local anesthesia. Pain is minimal and can be managed with over-the-counter painkillers for 1 to 2 days. After installation, the patient is asked to activate the expander every day for 4 to 6 weeks by turning a screw. The expander will split the suture and a gap will form between the front teeth. Orthodontic treatment can close the gap and will help achieve a stable bite. Expander will remain in place until new bone forms at the suture in 4 to 6 months. Marpe can be used in a wider demographic of patients. Marpe produces significant transverse expansion of the maxilla, thereby helps in achieving maximum airflow and reduces the symptoms of obstructive sleep apnea. It also improves the facial symmetry and broadens narrow sunken midface. Marpe derives anchorage from mini screws rather than tooth as in conventional expanders. Marpe avoids undesirable tooth movement like buccal tipping in posterior teeth. It requires high hygiene maintenance to prevent infections, and it is an invasive procedure compared to traditional expanders and therefore requires specialized training. Thank you.